Really sorry because the monitor is not like, I think the cable is like, there's a problem with the cable, so I cannot see you guys. So everyone that would like to speak, please just go ahead. Okay. So welcome.
Oh, Lewis, I'll speak out because somebody wrote and perhaps you couldn't see it. Who's the secretary today? I
Actually,
think Kyla asked. Yeah.
okay. Right. Thank you very much. Actually, I'm planning to write down notes in my own because I'll try to. I'm not sure. I'll try to, because sometimes when someone writing a notes is not really complete, so I'll try to learn from myself. Yeah, so I,
Okay.
I don't really
Okay.
get understanding. So I'll just absence the secretary for today. Yeah. Let's try. Okay. Thank
Thanks
you
for
very
clarifying.
much, Mr. Jing, for delivering the questions. Yep. Let's start today from the report from Maskani. You'll have some minutes to report Maskani. And at the end, I'll ask some questions that Mr. Jing offered just now. Go ahead, Maskani.
Okay, thank you very much, Lily. So for the awareness based on the website, so the total views itself is not achieved the goal, but we able to generate 3 leads in the first 2 weeks of February. So it's already achieved, and I think the rest is just activity that I just report there. And moving on to Google My Business, Google My Business, the customer action it's dropping on this February. It's not achieved, and we gain 0 leads as well. Yeah, the rest is just activity, please.
Okay, so thank you very much, Mas Gani. First question: do you think that from this conclusion, which is you are not achieving the views but you achieve the leads, is a good condition or not? Or is there something weird that you expect from this one?
It is it is something weird, but I try to correlate with the past activity that we just did on November, December 2021. We launched our Facebook ads. We optimized some stuff, but then I kinda hard to see the result because it's lagging time of action, lagging time of the result. So the leads just coming on this February, so it's kind of hard to track which activity that really impact that have
Okay,
most
so
impact.
do you think that's like, let's see. So that's about lagging. So you don't really know. So we need to do inspection more. Is that
Yeah,
what you're trying to say?
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Um second second one, which one is the most successful? It should be from this one, right? The website. Correct.
Yeah, the website and the SEO activity itself.
Okay. I see.
On the yeah. Go ahead, Lilis.
Uh okay, so on the websites, do you think that you allocate resource correctly right now? Like how many person in charge in GMB and how many person in website?
Okay. Right now I have Feby and Garrett. So Garrett is working on the website on optimize the on-page SEO, and Feby working on Google My Business. So I think it's well organized.
Okay, so Gareth and also Feby ya. So
Yep,
jadi satu-satu ibaratnya gitu. Okay.
betul.
Okay then. I think from your report and our discussion just now, it will be inspection issue in this part because
Okay.
what is the SLA for views then?
The total in 1 month is 2,500.
Okay, it's very far, right? We need to do inspection on the
Yep.
process. First is the SLA, whether it is the views SLA that is like not really good, or the leads is too low. So it needs inspection, and the questions that you need to answer with inspection team later on, which is from BI, adalah what kind of past activities that brings up a good quality of leads basically, but not really views, right? So jadi itu nanti
Yep.
inspect, minta tolong, and then from that inspection, you need to come up with a plan on what is the biggest factors to improve the conversion from views to leads basically. The conversion is higher right now, right? But the viewsnya kecil kan gitu masalahnya ya. That's
Yep. Yep.
actually good in terms of conversion, but let's investigate what's wrong. Apakah SLA ini yang salah? Apakah SLA ini? Gitu ya, Mas ya.
Okay,
Okay,
got it.
so that's from my side. Pretty clear, Mas Gani, ya. And so that's not good as the summary. Good in terms of achievement in leads, tapi in overall you not really sure whether this is good because problem with whether the SLA bener apa enggak. Okay. For anyone who would like to speak, just open your mic and speak. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the second one, which is conversion. Kyla, please go ahead.
Please, sorry everyone, I cannot open my camera since it's limited for 12 people only in this chat room. So for the conversion, as you can see for SLA achievement, we haven't achieved anything. And sorry, I need a disclaimer that in this case, I also count the digital marketing.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why, for example, maybe the percentage is kind of lower, but not that lower. Okay. For the SLA, not yet achieved for each lead, for each stages, but there's the prospective side on the MQL, pitching, and MOU sign, since we have a perspective, some prospective properties lately, and especially to be focused on. So yes, that's the report for the SL achievement. For the rest of them, you can see the action points that I have written down, which I divided into two sides: the list generation or the online canvassing itself, and the list conversion for the approaching itself. So these are the activities that we have done, and you can see maybe the findings are kind of like interesting, since Instagram method is currently one that is working. So Erika is the one doing the online canvassing using the Instagram method, and from 5 contacts, she got like 4 leads, and 3 of them are MQL. So it's very prospective. All of them has done the pitching also. So we need to discover more this week regarding whether this method is really working or if it's just one time only. And we also, based on the location operational work that we have set last week, it has proven that it kind of like make the feedback cycle more quick and conversion more efficient. So it's like whenever they have a problem in answering the questions of partners, or whether they have some frictions, any kind of friction, they can ask Moana or me or Canadian, whoever stand by on the Discord. So yeah, that's one of the improvements. And for the frictions, it's kind of like more of operational frictions. And I have also attached the solutions that the canvassing team has discovered also. For the actionable points, I'd like to keep the canvassing team with previous area, which is some of them to Jogja area and some of them in Bali, and to use the Airbnb listing generated by Bayu to enhance canvassing activity efficiency, and also to still using the same format of PIC. I think that's all, Kak. Thank you.
Right. Thank you, Kyla. First question. Do you think that this is the middle of the month? Do you think you are doing okay or like not really okay for this stage? For this funnel, sorry.
To say that, because this is the middle of the month, I'd like to say that we're not okay, since usually if we have the improvements on first and second week, usually we'll have the MOU by the end of the month. But since it's already the middle of the month, I think no, we're not doing okay, but we are progressing. Since
Okay.
if we can actually like push back a week before, because the BD team just started on 7th of February. If we can push back and count them as the first week, I think we're doing okay, like progressing to be okay. So yeah, for the moment it's not okay, but we are progressing much better than last month, I think.
Right. Thank you very much, Kyla, for that one. We also see one deal already in this month. And for some insights, I need BI team to investigate further. Yeah, ini kan ada findings result from the team. And then second questions related to your findings. Actually, we need to ask whether we are putting resource correctly, right, Kyla, in terms of the channel that we are using. So this is also first answer that we would like to answer in the breakout session later. Jadi ada beberapa platform like Instagram or Airbnb and etc. Right? Please investigate whether you are prioritizing correctly. So that's also in terms of inspection part. And then second one, actually, I'd like to ask related to efficiency of this funnel in terms of activity, where I find out actually Airtable as a tool to help you improve efficiency is not really helping in a way. Can you clarify a bit about that? Like you already know, I guess, the context for this one.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Kali. So for Airtable itself, I think the original idea of using the Airtable is that it's the main database for the property that we have Canvas, Kak. And by the time we developed it into more like to use like some of the people have tried to use the tool to
Mhm.
measure the effectiveness of the stages, like how many times. But I think Bayu has done that, or Rizky, I kind of forget.
Okay.
But in my personal opinion, Airtable is limited to do the weekly tracking. So when you find out about the spreadsheet that I'm using, it's currently for weekly tracking, Kak.
Okay.
You also asked me, yeah,
Yeah.
on the slide.
Right. Thank you, Kyla. So for this one, I think this tools is very important for the conversions team since it's a database. And if I see that we are using Airtable, we are spending in this part, but we also still use spreadsheet to kind of understand our performance. So it's not really good for my side. So I need
Mm,
Nadia from the tools side, which is PD, to also discuss further after this one is a breakout session. So you have two things to answer in the breakout session. Kayla, please divide your resource. Ada yang datang ke adoption and ada datang yang ke inspection. Okay, is that clear, Kayla?
yes, thank you, Kak.
Clear, yeah. Okay, pretty clear. Okay, if there is no other questions, everyone who have questions,
The list.
okay, go ahead. Fidi.
I'll just confirm last confirmation according to Kyla. Because all of the SLA is not cheap. Tool or adoption issue in this case. It's under inspection.
I think it's still the adoption, Kak. I think that's the one that we're trying to find out this week actually, whether it's the guidelines or the adoptions.
Yes.
But
Oh, so it's not determined
It's not
yet,
clear
yeah?
yet.
yeah,
Yeah.
dependence.
Okay.
It's not clear yet. I also discussed with Kyla actually outside this meeting. That's
Mhm.
why I need Kyla to inspect udah bener belum resource allocationnya, and then it's related to adoption juga, adoption of strategy and also adoption of guidelines. It will be proven after I guess this week karena emang
Okay.
the training is just started, right, Kyla? About
Yeah.
last week. Thank you,
Yeah.
Vidi, for the question. Okay, so next week, Kyla, you need to answer what kind of problem if it's still not achieved, yeah?
Yeah, thank you, Kak.
Welcome. Let's go next to transformation, which is Asa. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Kak Lilis. So basically, from the progress is that we can see that the transform partners from no alignment to transactional alignment is increased by 2 partners compared to last week. So basically, it's not yet achieved, but we are progressing. And also for the transform partners from transactional alignment to relationship alignment is also increased by 1 partner compared to last week. Also progressing, but we need 3 more partners to be transformed to the relationship alignment. And for the transfer partners from relationship alignment to legacy, we still haven't achieved yet. And there's are some action points that we have done throughout the week, basically related to the guideline for asking GMB review and also allocation for BVGO user adoption, executing the onboarding process for MVP of Bandung area, and also working on the contract reinforcement. Also, to help partners to transform to legacy part, we are starting a new initiative related to the partner transformation by adding partner rewards and recognition, which is handled by AFLA. And there are 2 frictions currently because it's already the middle of the month and we are not doing okay in getting any referrals. So we need help from advocacy team to inspect whether it's the tool or the adoption part for the referral. And also we need 1 more partner to get booking in order to fulfill the SLA of 3 partners transform. And those are the list of partners with no booking yet, as you can see in the comment section. And there are basically 3 action plan to maintain the number of GMB reviews by allocating each person to gather at least 1 review per month, and also execute the plan for BVGO user adoption, while Audrey and Afla to execute CSS this month to transform partners from transactional to relationship, and also to relationship to legacy. That's from me. Thank you, Kak Lilis.
Okay, thank you, Asa, for the report. So basically, we can see that mostly is not achieved. But do you think that you are on track, or do you think this progress is okay?
I think the progress is okay. We're still on
Progress,
track basically.
except
Except from the legacy part.
okay, right.
There's a lot of
You get
legacy.
it. So I like you to understand that something is not okay. Okay. So that's on track for the first and second transformation. I would agree with that. And for the first one, from apa no alignment to transactional. Actually, I'd like to deliver Mas Bayu's idea from the guest panel yesterday, where Mas Bayu and marketing team would like to boost the booking of new property by giving a giveaway. So we need to ask one night free quota from the owner to be able like to deliver to the marketing team so they can make a good use of it buat nge-boost booking, perhaps for influencer or perhaps for giveaway things lah. Jadi that's the idea of the NPO. In this case, I'll need ASA, the transformation team, to discuss with BI on BI and marketing ya. Marketing letter sebenarnya outside this meeting, tapi in BI try to formulate gimana caranya we can ask partner for that kind of quota buat one night free stay. Jadi biar bisa ngeboost gitu. Asa, do you get what I mean?
Lilis,
Yes, Mas Bayu.
I think you frame it incorrectly.
Okay, go
Also
ahead,
this
Mas.
program.
Please
Yeah.
explain it further.
Okay. So basically, every time we want to launch a new property, we want to make sure that the property is ready, right? And how we know that the property is ready? We need to test that. We need to test with the user. It's usually in a hotel. It's called pre-launch experience. So we want to have that for all of our partner, for all of our new partner. So we say to our partner that we will test this property after all the preparation, whether it's ready to accept guests or not. So it is mandatory to test. And how we are going to test it, there are some options. We can ask the owner to invite their friend, so they will be okay with that, right? So any random friend, but no owner, only the friend, and the friend will tell us what is missing from the service and things like that, right? Or we can also give the option for the owner to use it not for their friend, but we also use it for marketing purposes. For example, we invite someone that with a good following, for example, with good cloud, to experience early about this property before the launch and give the feedback to us. And we can also use that for marketing purposes to experience pre-launch for like a giveaway, for example. So this needs to be framed correctly to the owners, and also need to be formulated correctly in the marketing side as well, how we are going to use it.
Okay, thank you, Mas Bayu. I think thanks so much for correcting like how I deliver the idea from your side. So that's that. That's what Mas Bayu explained just now is the strategy on how we deliver the strategy to the owner basically. I think Mas Bayu, can you go later on to the strategy or inspection breakout room to investigate further about this one? Yeah, Mas Bayu, yeah. So that's the first the apa namanya dependency for transformation. Asa, you can discuss further with Mas Bayu in the inspection room later. And second one, actually about the contract enforcement. Asa, I don't see much progress actually in the execution, but we have the contract ready. The tools is ready. Now is the adoption of the tools and how we deliver to the owner. Do you find difficulties in this part? I know Audrey is leading this, but do you have the like further updates?
Okay, so basically for the updates that I've got from Audrey is on that part on the fourth point, yes, in that one. So we are currently working on 2 tasks. Last try pitching to some partners from each region and also finding the missing contract to clarify. And it should be done by this Saturday. That's the latest update for the contract enforcement.
Okay. Please divide your team. One, go to the team and adoption section where I need you to discuss with, I think mostly will be Mr. Jeng and Ara in that part. This is about the adoption of the contract, how we should frame it. Please discuss with them and also consider the apa namanya the risk that there's so many partner perhaps that not agree and etc and etc. Basically, gimana caranya partner can understand our purpose. Jadi discuss sama mereka on how to manage your partner kayak gitu. Kayak gitu barangkali ya. That's the second one. Perhaps Audrey can go to the to apa namanya to the adoption ini ya. Okay, Asa, is that clear?
Okay. Yep, clear for me.
Yep, I think that's that related to advocacy. I'll discuss after Kak Tendi reporting the achievement. Okay, Kak Tendi, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Lilis. Yeah, for the GMB, we got 2 so far, but still not achieved. And then for the partner referral, there is no partner referral yet. And then for the partner story, so far is 1, not achieved. And then the action point is try the new guidelines to Maharaja last week. And for the owner improvement, by remind the partner to make the GMB because he was agree, but we haven't received yet. And then the second one is summarize the BBC talk from the affiliate for the partner story. And then the next one, the friction is resource for the advocacy. I think there's what's called. I think you also know about the resource. Then Aflah currently will still observe about the resource.
Yep.
Sorry, about the advocacy, and then we'll decide by next week. I mean, for the decision. And then not clear structure for the partner referral. And then the next one is lack of partner response to get the GMB. And then the next plan is I will collaborate with transformation to for running the partner feedback for one-on-one session with partner to get the partner satisfaction by collect the data for the new strategy to get GMB review. When the partner is satisfied, then we can ask for leaving the GMB. And then bring the friction to discuss with the chapter for the partner referral guidelines improvement. And then the next one is already currently focusing on partner contract and nominate Aflah to observe about the advocacy, and will decide and inform advocacy after the observe.
Okay, thank you, Kak Tendi. Overall, do you think that this funnel is doing okay or not? Okay, Tendi is not there, but I think it's clear that this is not really okay, yeah, since we don't get referral and for GMB review, I think it's pretty on track. And partner story, it's also it is kind of activity actually for the partner story. So in this part, every funnel is actually lacking, and some dependency is on strategy. And also for this one, I guess for the advocacy, because we don't really have strategy in this case. So it should go to the breakout session where we have strategy discussion, which is inspection ya berarti. And the most crucial program, Kak Tendi, are you there?
Just get back my connection. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Kak Tendi, you said that you'd like to develop one-on-one session to improve what is that GMB review, yeah. But actually, the one that is still lacking in terms of SLA achievement is the referral, right? I think you need to shift your focus, not like in the GMB review, but how to really construct a tools to get referrals. Do you agree with that?
Yes, I think so, Lilis.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then, the main problem that you need to discuss this week and also work on is what's the tools that we can use to improve referral result in this case. Itu ya. Yeah, I think to inspection or strategy breakout later on. Let's see how the breakout can divide the session later on. Mas
Okay, well, if we have a hands up, so whoever put their hands up, please speak.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
In this for this week, the strategy is assigned to all the funnel awareness, conversion, transformation, and advocacy. Do you think there might be some case where the chapter can discuss among themselves first, or bring it back to the chapter because it's a tool issue, or everything is really need to be assessed by strategy?
That's a
How
good
would you
question, actually.
prioritize this? Yeah.
Thank you very much, sweetie, for reminding me for that one. So in my notes, we have in terms of conversion one, and then in terms of advocacy one, and the last one is transformation.
Awareness as well, right? The improvement from conversion to leads,
Oh yeah, benar.
the views to leads.
Okay,
Yeah. So
I
everything
think
should be checked.
yeah, that's a good question actually, Vidi. Thank you. This is also yesterday in squad, in guest squad we experienced because some people is coming, but we only able to assist some breakout discussion. So I'll try to focus the strategy part into the conversion deh. The conversion. And then second priority is advocacy. Last is partnership. Jadi itu prioritinya. So it will be
Partnership,
different.
Lilis. Sorry.
Kok panas?
The
Last
last is
is
partnership,
awareness.
transformation, or awareness. Okay.
Yeah. First is transformation, where we actually already have our buckets of leads, right? But we unable to proceed it into ini. And then in advocacy, it's actually related to awareness juga and akan membantu the conversion. So that's the second. Last one is the awareness. Jadi nanti in the breakout session, assist awareness dulu, baru si advocacy. Tapi nanti executionnya for the BI team, prioritize conversion first, second advocacy, and last is awareness. But okay, let's see. Yeah, this is still a dilemma. Let's focus on two dulu deh. Awareness, conversion and advocacy. For awareness, I think that's fine if you try to investigate further with your chapter and purpose SLA, new SLA if you would like to by next week. Itu aja. Vidi, do you think that I frame it correctly or I delegate it correctly? This case.
While waiting for their turn to meet the experts, are they permitted to discuss among themselves first, or just wait and listen to the discussion for the other panel?
Oh yeah, I think they're allowed to not really coming to the breakout session. Yeah, jadinya. Yeah. For the awareness team, you don't need to come, but for advocacy and also conversion, I think you need to come
Okay.
and divide the
Yeah,
session into
okay.
two. Yeah. For the other team management tadi only for transformation, and then for tools it's only for conversion. Gitu ya. Okay, I think that's that. Anyone have questions or further updates or discovery?
Sorry, Lilis, I still doesn't get it. So where I need to go on the strategy, the last one.
No, you don't need to go to
Oh,
anywhere. You can continue
okay.
with your team outside the
Oh,
breakout
gitu.
session. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Mas Gani. Good question. Right then, I'll stop sharing my screen. I hope that everyone understand where to go. I'll open the breakout session and going around later on to see what's going on in the breakout session. Breakout session. Wait. Oh, already started. Okay. Thank you, guys. Please go to the section where you need to go. Yeah. For Bayu and Irfan, you go to strategy and inspection. Nadia and tools and efficiency. Mr. J and Ara, please help me in the adoption and team management. Okay, guys. And the members, ikutin aja.
Thank you, Kak.
Ya, Mas Gani, if you like to stay here, also possible. Nggak apa-apa. Silakan discuss aja sama timnya ya. Mas Bayu, I need your help in terms of strategi ya, juga yang tadi.
Okay.
Ya, thank you.
Okay, Kela. Where is
Mungkin
Mama?
Okay. So for Gareth and Feb,
dari
Orang
We're still
conversion-nya
waiting
belum masuk.
from conversion ya. Yep, yep.
Iya, baru katanya dari advocacy.
Oh ya, conversionnya mana? Bentar. Hey team from conversion, why no one is going to the strategy breakout? Kyla?
I'm coming to efficiency, Kak. Okay.
Oh, you're coming.
I think for conversion, it's only for adoption and tools.
Wait, sorry?
For conversion, it's only for tools and adoption, right?
Oh ya, siapa yang strategi tadi? Lupa. Wait.
Advokasi, Kak.
Advocacy.
Yep.
Oh, jadi salah ya? Tadi salah. Okay. Sorry guys. So actually it's only for advocacy
sorry juga.
strategy. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Strategies.
So for this one, Kak Ara, actually we have two agendas occurring right now for the February, and then we have another agenda coming in March. So for February's agenda, we will do like a last try pitching and also communicating with some partners that.
I see. So okay, all right. She's saving resources for the other groups, right?
Yeah. So the awareness, feel free not to join breakout meeting. So we still stay here.
Okay. Oh, okay. In that case, Lois, they can just go, right? They don't need to hang around anymore.
Yeah, but yeah, I said if you would like to discuss here, that's okay. But if you'd like to go
It's okay,
outside,
right?
it's also okay.
I discuss here. It's okay, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. This is still an open room. Okay. All right. Cool.
Okay. Yep. Oke, Lilis di sini aja. Oke.
Masih di sini mau lanjut. Jangan merasa terganggu.
Kalau aku share screen,
nggak apa-apa, santai banget. Oh, perhaps later we need to have others lagi 4 breakout, like others aja yang mau nge-hangout gitu ya.
Ya.
Oke.
Ya.
Go ahead.
Oke. Garrett sama Feby kelihatan screenku?
Hi, Kalis. Kak, I have a issue here.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Okay.
I have an issue. So, finally kan kalau conversion itu needs to be in both team, one for adoption and one in here.
Okay.
I need to be here since I utilize the tools the most and I need to find out how. But the second one about the adoption, I think Canadian has an idea about that, but currently no one like Mo or Canadian can come to adoption.
Oh ya, okay, no worries. They already have clients juga sih di sebelah. Jadi lanjut di sini aja dulu.
Oke.
Nah.
Let's get started then.
Oke. Bagus, pertanyaan bagus. Yang pertama,
Canadian, you told me you have several questions dulu buat kita.
Okay. Let's discuss about the Airtable adoption dulu deh. Okay. Kayla, can you explain to me on what
kita tuh targetnya ada dua, yaitu the number of
partnership that you still use for on Airtable
sama the number
itu
of
karena kan di sini kita sebelumnya itu
jadi kita targetnya
ada beberapa contohnya kayak property contract itu kan memang dulu kita sempat pakai Airtable.
Kalau kita cuma ngejar page view
kita develop di
tapi nggak ada leads
kita
ya
migrate
sama
semua.
aja.
Nah, itu
berarti kita salah targeting.
Dan juga untuk
tapi kalau kita leadsnya sedikit tapi leadsnya banyak,
teman-temannya tuh
nah ini
seharusnya udah
bikin penasaran
dipakai lagi.
Ada salah
karena kita udah
gitu.
punya di masing-masing properti. Nah, mungkin
Bagus,
bisa dijelasin dulu dari Kelanya tentang version dari toolsnya sendiri dulu.
Okay, berarti ini kayak lebih ke how I use the tool.
Yeah, and then we can
itu ada
which part I did wrong.
Google My Business, Facebook page sama
Facebook
Ads.
Can you give me like
nah, tadi
1 minute I need to delegate something to Nadine.
Kita lihat mundur ke belakang ya. Mundur ke belakang di bulan September. Nah, di bulan September. Nah, di bulan September ini.
Nadia, Airtable ini it's not integrated to Bigger, right?
It's not integrated.
Nah, kita dulu mendapatkan angka 2.500 ini itu dari mana?
Do you use it for the other purpose?
maximize. Nah, itu tuh
Maksudnya
apa
gimana?
namanya?
Maksudnya kayak
Ada keempat
ada
faktor
nggak
yang main.
fungsi lainnya
Manajemen
selain
copy, trafficnya bagus, Google My Business
siapa kayak
aktif,
itu
Facebook
conversion
aktif juga,
like
Facebook Ads-nya
document
juga.
leads
Nah, itu yang
ataupun
bikin
their
semua
journey.
tuh saling mensupport sehingga
No, kayaknya cuma dipakai
wah
sama
kita bisa
partnership
nih
doang. I think it's only
2.500
used ya.
bisa bisa
Okay.
nih.
By
Nah, tapi
partnership. Yeah.
seiring
Right.
And also
berjalannya waktu kita kan
finance, if I'm
resource-nya
not
juga
mistaken,
terbatas.
ya.
Nggak
Finance.
semua
Okay,
orang
I need
bisa
to
menghandle
clarify
semua
that
platform.
because
Makanya wah prioritas dulu mana
not
nih
really.
Soalnya
udah
dulu in Airtable, I
website
saw
sama
the
Google My Business
finance
karena dua
documents,
channel
but I'm
ini
not
yang
sure if it's
benar-benar
still
menghasilkan.
in use.
Jadi kita baru fokus
Oh
dulu.
no, it's unused
Makanya
already.
kita nggak
Unused,
mau
sorry.
Oh,
pakai
unused. Okay. So
Facebook
only
sama Facebook
partnership
Ads.
ya.
Nggak, yang
Only
maksudnya
partnership, yeah.
dulu sempat dihandle
Yep.
sama Bagi, tapi
Please come up with a
cuma
decision whether
berjalan
you'd like to
seminggu 2 minggu
continue
aja
or
kan.
stop
Setelah itu
using
nggak
this.
lanjut lagi.
Yeah.
Nah, itu makanya di
Yeah, no.
bulan
Okay,
Februari
please
ini
go
kita
ahead,
baru
Kela.
dapat rendah banget 300 banget. Halo? Dengar ya?
Dengar ya.
Oke, nah itu. Itu Gareth, ada pertanyaan lagi darimu?
Berarti gini ya. Tadi kan aku lihat-lihat kok, ada yang ini tuh ada yang bisa start by executing tomorrow. Nah, itu berarti ini aku jalankan yang 4 hari dulu Kak, berarti kan ya? Yang 4 hari dulu.
Betul.
Google Ads nanti. Oke.
Mm-mm.
Ya. Sama mungkin apa perlu aku ganti ya? Sebenarnya sebelum itu campaign-nya itu difokuskan untuk meningkatkan page view doang Kak. Jadi supaya mampir doang. Cuman mungkin nanti aku bisa ganti ke supaya apa tuh istilahnya, pokoknya untuk bikin leads gitu Kak. Mungkin ganti gitu aja ya.
Oke. Ini lebih ke teknis lagi. Nah, Google Ads, kita buka ini deh, yang Google Ads increase traffic. Sebenarnya ya namanya ads berjalan itu kan apa namanya harus ada layernya dulu. Kamu kalau langsung pakai ads terus langsung nembak ke conversion, maksudnya langsung nyari leads, bakal susah, ya nggak sih? Karena mungkin banyak orang yang belum tereksposur sama apa itu Bukit Vista, kan mereka pada belum tahu. Tiba-tiba mau tembak ads, hey join sekarang, hey daftar sekarang, mungkin agak susah. Karena itu pengalamanku tahun lalu seperti itu juga. Kita buru-buru langsung nembak ke conversion, join us, book now, bla bla bla, targeted leads. Tapi kalau mereka belum terpapar sama apa itu Bukit Vista, servisnya Bukit Vista itu apa aja, ya susah dapetin leads-nya. Gitu. Makanya ya Gareth, langsung.
Berarti mau Kak, memang kita harus mulai dari itu dulu ya. Ngerin page view dulu berarti Kak. Mau Kak mau itu.
Ya.
Jadi dari sana barusan di
Ya sama kayak apa namanya? Marketing funnel. Semua itu berawal dari awareness dulu. Everyone should know Bukit Vista first. They should expose with Bukit Vista first. Setelah itu baru mereka akan mempertimbangkan, oke, terus kamu baru tembak next ads-nya. What is the next ads is conversion. Nah, begitu. Jadi ada layernya gitu. Ini planningmu ada di Google Ads ini ya?
Iya.
Coba boleh jelaskan timeline-nya dulu. Aku bisa lihat di mana ini ya.
Timeline-nya. Aku belum provide kalendernya kayak gimana Kak. Cuman kayak ya itu pokoknya kan cuma 4 hari doang kan. Makanya itu kayak bisa start hari ini juga nggak apa-apa. Budgetnya itu lebih yang di atas itu.
Budgetnya 100.000 nih.
Iya, yang 200 seperti yang kayak dulu Kakak contohin ke aku itu, yang
iya
yang itu. Yang di atas ini yang 100.000 ini yang pas trial week itu Kak, yang aku eksperimen itu. Makanya aku taruh di sini kan kayak supaya bisa review gitu kan sebelumnya kayak gimana. Terus kayak siapa tahu dengan gini. Nah, cuman yang dulu itu anggapannya kan masih belajar. Jadi kayak itu raw banget. Jadi kayak title-nya ads itu masih raw banget. Nah, yang kali ini yang bikin beda tuh gimana? Aku itu kita kan pakai keyword bahasa Indonesia kan. Jadi kayak siapa tahu kita bisa nambah dari yang audiens Indonesia terus
Coba aku mau coba ke Biela atau ke Vera cek
ini.
Mungkin ada yang bisa diadopsi untuk ini.
Ya, kalau idenya stuck, kita bisa ngelihat dari dari squad lain di chapter yang sama itu. kayak gimana gitu. Mereka juga kan
Oh.
pasti pernah stuck juga.
Oke, itu awal ya.
Oh.
Dari Irfan atau dari Bayu mungkin yang in charge buat partnership dari BI, ada masukan nggak?
Tadi aku mau nanya aja sih ke tadi kan distributionnya untuk di post di channel advocate-nya daripada di kita.
Mau buka gitu.
Menarik,
Memang ada ini.
menarik.
Gitu loh. Jadi kalau aku tadi juga aku sempat
Ya.
earlier have a discussion with Andy.
Targeting.
Community team itu
Betul.
juga perlu buat
Iya,
cross check understanding-nya
Oke.
owner. Kita kan ngerti bahwa owner sendiri itu punya
Dari
background
Feby ada
education
masukan
background
dulu,
yang
coba.
berbeda-beda,
Kita sekalian
punya
brainstorming.
pengalaman yang berbeda-beda. Ada owner yang memang sudah menggeluti properti usaha properti dari few years ago. Ada owner yang iseng-iseng duitnya banyak, ngebuang uang aja, aku mau bikin villa, tapi dia nggak truly care. Ada lagi owner yang jadi backgroundnya macam-macam nih.
Jadi ini eksperimen.
Community has to have this specific strategy on how to approach and
kita coba
talk
tes
to
dulu
each of
selama
the owners.
200 ribu.
Gitu.
Ini dalam
Gimana caranya aku
eksperimen
ngomong
model.
sama owner yang
Setelah itu
high
ketika kita
educated?
udah dapat
Gimana caranya aku ngomong sama owner yang aduh nggak ngerti, misalkan orang
mungkin boleh
native
coba lagi
Bali yang nggak
eksperimen kedua.
mungkin nggak take
begitu udah
kuliah,
mulai
mungkin
mantap
yang
lagi,
kayak
nah baru kamu berarti baru boleh jalan 1 bulan. Tapi kalau insight-nya
Kita biasanya
masih,
sih nanya gitu di akhirnya gitu, ada nggak
Gitu,
partner yang lain gitu. Cuman
gimana?
yang tadi itu dibilang itu yang apa namanya itu belum masih efektif gitu, karena memang nggak ada ini Irfan, kayak nggak ada memang. Misalnya aku nanya kamu, Irfan, kamu punya teman nggak yang punya properti? Karena emang nggak ada ya nggak di-refer gitu loh. Ngerti nggak?
Ya.
Gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya ada pun kayak Mertabits itu bulan lalu tuh ya dia kasih gitu. Karena memang ada properti baru gitu loh. Kalau nggak ada properti baru mereka juga nggak ada yang dikasih gitu. Itu makanya agak ininya. Gitu.
Kalau properti lama gimana Dan?
Iya, ada beberapa juga kayak gitu, kayak mereka pindah properti manajemen itu kita dikasih juga gitu sama.
Yes. Iya. Yes. Ya, betul. Aku coba mencari guideline-nya itu di Facebook Ads for Partnership. Nah, daripada kita reinvent the wheel, ini aku kasih salah satu contoh Facebook Ads yang, nah ini dulu Facebook Ads, mungkin sekelas info aja buat Garrett ya. Ini adalah contoh campaign structure yang menurut aku bagus dari previous, siapa sih dulu namanya, Jaki previous the intern dari ITB. Nah, jadi nanti ada tiga istilahnya di sini 3 campaign, Garrett. Yang pertama untuk awareness atau prospecting, goalnya itu target cold audience. Nah tadi, jadi yang benar-benar belum tahu tentang apa itu Bukit Vista, nah kita target mereka. Terus brand awareness, make audience aware sama Bukit Vista dulu. Terus habis itu setelah awareness, campaign yang kedua re-engagement atau traffic. Nah, kalau di Facebook kita bisa pakai tracker, Garrett. Jadi ads yang pertama itu udah dilihat siapa aja, berapa banyak orang, itu ada trackernya. Nah, baru ketika kita launch campaign yang kedua, itu kita menargetkan orang-orang yang sudah melihat ads yang pertama tadi. Gitu. Jadi nanti bisa double expose, 2 kali kena gitu loh, paham nggak sih? Makanya namanya re-engagement. Make the audience consider our service. Nah, jadi ditembak lagi. Terus habis itu campaign yang ketiga adalah remarketing. Nah, ini ibarat kata retarget warm audience tadi, yang kedua tadi udah terpapar, terus kemudian baru convert leads, kayak bahasanya apa sih, hard selling, something like that, seperti itu. Jadi kayak closing the deals-nya ada di campaign ketiga. Nah, jadi itu Garrett, ini salah satu strategi yang bagus dan bisa kamu contoh untuk formatting your ads. Ini dulu nah ada ininya, ada timeline-nya. Minggu pertama belajar dulu, minggu kedua finalisasi planning research, Terus ini minggu ketiga awareness, minggu keempat traffic, minggu kelima conversion. Nah, gitu kira. Jadi seminggu satu campaign, seminggu satu campaign gitu. Jadi nggak langsung 1S ditembak sebulan jret 1 juta gitu. Nah, nanti agak susah kamu, waduh ini kalau misal S-nya gagal, kamu agak kesulitan nanti, aduh ini gagalnya di mana ya, kan gitu. Agak-agak bingung tuh. Nah, tapi nek kamu ada campaign 1, campaign 2, campaign 3, nah oke. Campaign 1 oke bisa menjangkau banyak orang. Begitu di target 2, wah kok kayaknya yang ke convert sedikit nih, yang benar-benar tertarik kok sedikit nih. Nah, mungkin bisa diotak-atik di campaign kedua. Ini kalau kamu lihat itu ada di Koda, partnership squad guideline, di awareness, gitu. Awareness ini, terus awareness guideline, terus habis itu di Facebook Ads, Facebook Ads Journal. Gitu kira mau lihat dulu. Oke, jadi di sini yang masih kurang apa tadi? Timeline-nya.
Timeline.
Karena kamu juga baru tahu ini tadi toh, ada campaign 1, 2, 3 ini tadi toh.
Iya.
Timeline-nya misal setiap campaign itu berapa lama, terus kemudian aku lihat dari evidence ini, oke, zero management fee, villa management value, property management. Kalimat kedua sama ketiga, title kedua sama title ketiga kayaknya mirip-mirip nggak sih maknanya?
Itu ngulang kayaknya Kak ya.
Iya, ngulang. Jadi aku rasa kok kurang efektif begitu ya.
Okay.
Kita lihat lagi tadi di branding bahwasanya kalau bisa di awareness itu, nah ini pas banget. Nah di awareness itu bisa menargetkan setiap service gitu loh. Meskipun campaign awareness, tapi kan setiap stage beda message-nya. Nah sebisa mungkin message yang kamu gunakan itu bisa menargetkan partner yang transaksional, partner yang cari relationship, atau partner yang cari legasi. Itu bisa kamu taruh sebagai title. Zero management fee. Oke, ini untuk transaksional. Ya, nah, terus apa message kedua yang bisa apa tadi? Relationship. Nah, relationship mindset-nya. Terus yang ketiga baru title ketiganya apa yang kiranya market legacy. Ada pertanyaan sampai sini?
Berarti mending gini Kak, itu kan ada yang teks abu-abu di bawah tuh ya. Berarti mending mending informasi service kita tuh mending fully di sana, yang atas ini mending dioptimize untuk messaging tadi itu berarti ya.
I think so.
Ngerti.
Toh di title ada maksimal karakter ya, toh 90 karakter enggak sih?
Per ini 30 Kak. Memang agak sorot. Iya, cuman itu macam-macam. Jadi inti bisa urus.
Ya, gitu. Ada 2 masukan dari aku, yaitu di timeline. Bisa diperbaiki lagi, sama message-nya. Ini message-nya masih mengulang. Jadi aku rasa kurang efektif. Bisa hari ini diperbaiki, terus besok pairing sama aku lagi, set pairing setengah jam kayak atau berapa menit untuk kasih lihat lagi. Gitu?
Oke, bisa.
Kecepatan nggak?
Enggak sih, bisa kalau merevisi itu doang bisa.
Oke ya. Nggak apa, dipercepat diskusinya, tapi biar mantap di awal dulu. Gitu.
Iya.
Oke, gitu. Tadi ngomongin sampai mana ya? Sampai partnership ya? Sampai partnership tadi entah SLA-nya yang terlalu tinggi atau memang effort-nya atau apa ya? Aku mau minta pendapat Feby dulu coba. What do you think, Feby?
Ini baru untuk title-nya, tapi buat collection-nya. Kan ini untuk awareness nih. Ini buat awareness-nya. Ini harusnya buat transformation ya kan. Ini baru pertanyaannya kayak gini doang, itu nggak apa-apa atau gimana? Kalau tool-nya dari
Kalau collectionnya tuh
Oke.
mungkin nanti aku coba ini ya, improve
Refine lagi.
buat
Oke.
guideline-nya
Got
ini
it.
ditambahin nanti.
Oke, untuk yang ini perlu diakses sama biaya
Jadi
nggak?
menurut Feby,
Yang untuk refine yang
Kalau
ini.
ini sih fine
sebenarnya
sih.
tadi
Itu
beberapa
cuman yang
Fine ya?
cek sama
Itu dulu
karena
ya.
yang
tidak
itu
menghasilkan,
perlu bantuan.
maka kita down.
Oke.
Karena tidak menghasilkan
Oke, gitu dulu.
leads,
Ada
maka
awareness
kita
Kak?
turn down.
Kalau dari
Makanya
transformation
kita
kan si
deprioritize.
Afla, kalau dari
Efek
awareness.
dari prioritas itu tentu
Kalau
saja
dari
kita nggak
awareness
bakal pernah
untuk
achieve SLA
distributionnya ya,
kalau project
kemarin
Yes,
sih
betul.
down gitu kan. That's very good.
Ini nggak susah
Very
sih
good.
harusnya.
Jadi kamu
kayaknya.
bisa
Gue kayaknya
melihat
kalau
W ya?
effortnya ya atau effort yang
Dominating W
dihasilkan
ya. Kita
apa,
tulis di sini dulu.
efeknya apa. Terus ya jelas nggak nyampe SLA 2.500 orang ada yang di turn down projectnya kan gitu. Berarti SLA-nya perlu diturunin gitu nggak sih?
Dan ini yang
Targetnya.
ini udah jelas sih.
Nah,
Itu udah ada documentation untuk yang itu ya.
Iya sih. Targetnya perlu diturunkan.
Fatimah.
Oke, got it. Targetnya. Hah?
Teman dia nggak ada di sini ya. Ya udah, ini dulu. Berarti ini note-nya KTND, improve guideline ya. Oke. Untuk sementara ada 2 poin ini. Dari
Gimana
transformation
ya?
sendiri udah jelas belum kira-kira action point mengenai 2
Ada
isu yang tadi
yang
dibahas di
di-turn
Scrum ini?
down. Kita
No transformation person sih.
sebelumnya itu memang belum
advocacy,
bisa prioritas secara bagus.
Kalau dari advokasi udah sih.
Tergantung ada
Udah jelas ya
atau
untuk
enggak.
2 isu ini ya.
Kalau ada,
Jadi
oke,
Irfan
project ini
tolong
jalan.
temenin
Tapi kalau
advokasi
nggak ada
selama
orang,
1
ya
minggu
project
ini.
ini jalan.
Dan make sure
Tapi
by
kayaknya
next
make
week
sense
itu
juga
udah ada
karena
progress
lihat
atau
dari
resultnya untuk 2
historinya
actionables
di
ini.
sini.
Gitu Les.
Memang,
Jadi yang pertama
kita kan
itu
nggak pernah
kita
achieve
figure out
SLA.
pertama
Iya
yang
nggak sih?
referral
Dari
conversion
dilihat
issue
dari
nggak ada guideline-nya.
page view,
Kalau
number of
karena
page
ini belum
view.
di-create, we will
Tapi
refer back to the chapter. So we
apa yang
don't
membuat
reinvent the wheel.
interesting
Irfan
adalah
will join the
leads,
advocacy chapter
the number
tomorrow
of
and make
leads.
sure that there is an idea that
we
will
not
be
achieve
propagated
the
to the
number of page
partnership
view di bawah
squad.
2000 malah. Tapi
And
kita
for
bisa
advocacy
dapat
story, there is no executor
sampai
research, which is actually a team management issue as
sampai
opposed
5
to
leads
strategy
bahkan.
issue, but the guideline
Jadi
exists. And therefore, we need to
sepertinya
utilize
perusahaannya
support
perlu
resource from
diturunkan
transformation,
SLA-nya
potentially ASLA,
as long
AFLA,
as
and
we
also
can get
awareness.
the leads, right?
We
The most
nominate way,
importantly kan
but KTND will
leads
improve
yang
the
masuk.
guideline prior to that. So that's the plan from BI or from strategy.
Mampu mengconvert jumlah
Okay,
page view
thank
yang
you,
lagi
Fidi,
sedikit
for the
dan kita
report. I
bisa
think,
mengconvert lebih
yeah,
banyak
you
leads.
have
Kan
the
itu
direction already,
secara
so
logika.
thank you very much. Go.
Yeah, for conversion though, nggak ada yang join list.
Conversion, conversion itu
Masih
kan
ambil
nggak jadi di
management.
strategi
SLA of
tadi kan.
page view.
Oh, nggak jadi ya?
Sorry, actually first timer, so like confused like.
Ya.
Jadi tadi itu di adoption and also
Sebenarnya satu lagi sih, aku
tools
kayak
dua, tapi
Oke.
Ayla doang yang datang, jadi cuma
penasaran
itu
karena
saja conversion.
Oke.
apa yang kita
Berarti
dapat
next in
sekarang
line-nya
ini
awareness sebenarnya.
itu pasti
Tapi nggak jadi juga ya tadi.
Awareness ada di room
penyebabnya,
utama,
ya nggak
mereka
sih?
udah discuss.
Kita bulan Februari
Yeah,
ini bisa
and the time is
dapat
actually
leads,
over, guys. Thank you very
Januari
much.
bisa
If you
dapat
like
5 leads.
continue, go ahead.
Januari 5.
Ya.
Oh iya. Februari 3, Januari 5. Nah, itu
Menurut aku guideline bahwa
dulu
semua
tuh ngapain?
kita
gitu kan ya.
pindah di
Itu yang
Bigger
perlu
semua. Jadi yang di
perlu
table
kita
tadi itu udah nggak dipakai lagi.
Oh,
apa yang
itu
terjadi
biasanya
2
aku
atau
tulis di
3
ini
bulan
sih di
sebelumnya.
partner journey
Project
whimsical
apa
dan
yang
itu udah
perlu
ketulis
kita
di bigger.
fokuskan dan
Nggak ada table.
Oke, berarti no longer pakai table. Oke.
Sedetik Kak. Nah yang di sini tuh this is like ini yang ke break, maksudnya di breakdownnya kayak gini visualisasinya. Mungkin aku bisa kirim ke Kanadia nanti. Kayak ini basically the data yang we need itu. Tapi kalau di partnership list ini itu nggak kelihatan. Itu aja sih Kak.
Oke, noted. Berarti kita bisa buat feature baru di Bigger buat conferencing online. Oke, noted on that one. Sure.
Jadi di delete.
Ya, jadi Lilis, conclusionnya buat ini adalah yang data-data di Airtable tadi itu selain untuk online canvassing itu kita remove semua karena udah ada di Bigger semua. Itu. Dan
So,
untuk yang
kamu masih mau pakai Airtable?
we still going to use Airtable buat online canvassing, Lilis, karena kita belum punya fiturnya di Bigger. But we will create a project feature for that on Bigger.
Okay. So, how long?
Wow, ini soalnya development technical banget sih.
Karena kemarin gini, kalau memang benar-benar kamu masih pakai itu, why don't you use spreadsheet directly gitu? Maksudnya that's actually my question. Spreadsheet itu bisa di develop fiturnya, like using filter or etc. itu gampang. Karena kayaknya nggak ada feature advance gitu di Airtable yang perlu kita adopt.
Actually there is, mungkin maaf mau nyela, tapi kalau kita balik ke spreadsheet, kayak balik ke zaman jahiliyah gitu loh Kak. I mean, we have done that too. Kita udah pernah pakai spreadsheet dan di-upgrade sampai 3 kali, and it gets nowhere better. So using Airtable is kind of like at least we can do some certain things gitu. Like, yeah.
Ya benar sih, dulu pakai itu ya. Tapi do you think that the feature already optimized?
In terms of the online canvassing itu udah in maximum sih, I think. Tapi bisa di-develop sama Kanadia yang
maksudnya bukan Airtable-nya, si spreadsheet yang dulu.
Manual, but ya bisa, I think. Ya, bisa, pasti bisa.
Okay, Nadia, how long do you think we need to keep subscribing Airtable? Nah itu nanti investigate further ya, karena kalau cuma pakai dokumen itu kayaknya aku sebenarnya lupa subscribe-nya berapa, tapi kalau masih pakai spreadsheet kayak wah kita bisa kok develop feature itu. Kemarin aku sudah dari lihat sedikit kayaknya bisa gitu, possible. Mungkin dulu kurang optimal aja, cuma nambah-nambah doang, nggak tahu sih, tapi nanti coba aja gitu, karena picture juga nggak ada di sana kan Kai?
Enggak.
Ya makanya kan mau pakai feature apa lagi gitu. Kayak
spreadsheet sih kalau gitu.
aja. Nanti mungkin dari Nadia, dari PD yang develop spreadsheet-nya.
No, we will move the bigger lah. We don't have to develop the spreadsheet.
Makanya kalau mau langsung ke bigger, I need inilah. Kalau memang itu diprioritasin, karena kasihan juga mereka misalnya pakai bigger pakai Airtable, masih pakai ini dan itu, terus overall jatuhnya mengurangi operation time mereka gitu, cuma untuk dokumentasi data gitu sih kan. Gitu ya Nat ya. Jadi masih continue, cuma nanti tolong dicatat apa aja nanti plannya, next plannya dan kapan gitu ya. Tolong ditaruh di summary.
Oke.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Downvote for incorrect prioritization. Okay. All right. Fantastic. Okay. Good. Lilith. Okay. Here's what we kind of discovered.
Yes,
Lilith, what do you think?
I'm just going through the tools just now.
All right. So, in conclusion, Lilith, I think we have generally a mixed bag about the status of the squad. It's unsure. Upvotes on awareness, downvotes on conversion, a little bit of a clash middle on transformation, and downvotes on advocacy. It seems like advocacy.
Is that like the general performance?
That's where people generally think it is. Okay. But once again, this is not a very good way to determine.
Yeah.
This is just simply asking the room. Now, what's better is if BI could come up with good KPIs so that we can actually get, more conclusive and understanding about this. Okay. But also upvotes on this list. Most people believe that their problems have been correctly prioritized. So the format seems to be working, and attention is going to where attention is needed. Okay. All right. Fantastic. All right. Last question, everyone. Upvote to continue developing this style of meeting. Downvote to take a step back and go back to the kind of meetings that we were having before. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. That part is clear then. All right. We'll keep on innovating and developing this style of meeting so that once again, everybody, you get more time with a particular person that can solve your particular problem. Okay. And perhaps a little bit more innovation on more accurate discovery, conclusive discovery on what particular services are working, what particular services are not working, so that we all agree which things are working and which things are not working. All right. That's it. Okay. Thank you very much for coming in today. And Lilith, thank you for being the hero, stepping into
Thank
this
you,
direction.
Mr. Jing, and everyone that teach me to try this format, basically, especially from the squad, the guest squad. Give me example and trying to do this out here. Okay, thank you everyone. This is just the beginning, so I'll try to evaluate like how can we become more accurate and also faster in terms of deciding something. So we can use our time mostly on breakout session, not on the update side in the beginning. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you around during the execution week, and see you next week for our meeting. Bye, guys. Bye bye.
Thank
Okay,
you,
bye.
Zara.